Here at home, it is a weather impact alert day as we could have some flooding in the area.
Yeah, lots to keep an eye on, Mallory.
Yeah, that's right, especially tonight and into the day tomorrow. So we want you to be prepared for the flood watch that we have in effect through tomorrow evening, as we are expecting rounds of showers and thunderstorms. And there's a lot of moisture in the air, so these could be heavy rainfall producers. And tomorrow we'll really have to watch closely for any storms that train over the same areas or what's called back building. So some spots could pick up a lot of rainfall in a short period of time. With that, make sure you do have ways to receive alerts. And of course, you can always track the radar on the WHAS 11 Plus app on your smart TV at any time. Our excessive rainfall outlook. First, we'll talk about our flooding potential. So this kind of outlook shows your risk for flash flooding in a certain area. And anytime you're just included, it means, hey, pay attention to the forecast. Today, we're included in a level 2 out of 4. Tomorrow, most of us included in a level 2 out of 4 as well. So heavy rainfall is really our greatest risk with this. In terms of severe weather potential, that looks to stay off to our west today, closer to an area, a mid-level low pressure area. So we call that an MCV. That is off to our west. That could spark some stronger showers and thunderstorms throughout this evening. Otherwise, tomorrow, you'll notice we are included in a level 1 out of 5. This is for a gusty wind threat, being that this time of year we have the higher risk of what's called microbursts. Those are the strong winds that kind of rush out from under a thunderstorm when we're hot, humid, a setup like what we're seeing this week. So just be aware of that over the next 24 to 36 hours. Satellite and radar right now, I will say most of us in Kentuckiana, we're dry. There's some shower activity off to our east. There's some storm activity off to our northwest. We're kind of in the quieter pocket right now, though we are seeing some storms beginning to develop down to our southwest. And this is mid-level low, the MCV that I'm talking about. This can kind of rotate and spark additional showers and thunderstorms like you're seeing right now this evening. But zooming in closer, quieter pockets. We do have some storms that look like they could be making a beeline for Grayson County here within the next hour or two. Otherwise, the rest of us, we just kind of sit and wait for additional storms to develop. I'm sure if you step outside, you know we have plenty of moisture to tap into because our dew points are in the low to mid 70s. So it's very, very humid out there, though it is just mostly cloudy with temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. So not as warm as we were over the weekend, but even more humid. Our Futurecast here with the latest model run showing some activity rolling in later on this evening from the west. So that should be weakening as it moves into our area, but could still bring us some healthy rainfall overnight and into tomorrow morning. This could be heavy at times, maybe some gusty winds, thunder, lightning certainly possible. And then the exact placement of these future rounds of storms kind of hop around on the model data. They are favoring spots like Hardinsburg, Litchfield, areas off to the southwest where some of those heavier pockets could be. And that's where we really have to pay attention for flooding potential on our Tuesday. Now, that could all move out Tuesday night, some spotty activity Wednesday morning, and then beyond that, as we dry out Wednesday, we heat up with highs in the lower 90s. The one change, though, or the one thing that's really not changing is the amount of moisture in the air. So this is when we could be dealing with heat indices around 100 Wednesday and Thursday. Make sure you do stay hydrated. Our next front arrives on Friday. That could bring us more showers and storms, not looking like a severe setup, but that could finally usher in some slightly lower humidity for the upcoming weekend, bringing more comfortable weather back into Kentuckiana.